Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cordless rotary tool. So these come in handy for sure. I've had the Dremel ones that plug in, but it's nice to have a cordless one. So this is the little kit you get here. Let's check this out. It's cool. I like the way it comes in a little case. Ooh, look at this. So this is what you get here. So you have the tool. You have a charging cable here. What is this? Are these discs? Oh, these are a bunch. Holy mackerel, there's a lot of little sanding discs. This is a whole wad of them here and a whole another wad of them here. So you got a lot of discs of sanding stuff. We have the kit of other items here as well. Let's see. So you can see all these pieces here. You have the sanding loops things that'll go around the stuff. We have a little cleaning brush, that's just the metal one. We have a cutting blade. We have, I think these are the little bits that you screw on. Buffing wheels, another little cutting wheel there, and then some sanding little discs. Let's just take out one of these little sanding discs here. Just like this. It's a nice little cool one, it's a ball. And so the way we put these in, I think you hold this down to unscrew it. And then you put this in. And you can screw it up. So this button here stops the axle from turning. So it gives you the ability to screw it in, because otherwise it would just turn. And then we'll see, it would turn on, and there we go. So we are at 3 now. 2, 1, 2, 3. It's actually this way. 4, 5. It goes up to 5. So that's pretty fast speed. And let's just see how strong it is. We're just gonna we'll grind the box. Pretty strong. Look at that. It just it does a good job. And that's on pretty high. Let me turn it off. It looks like it has a plastic cover over it. There we go. So that is the tool there. It looks like it's going to charge from right down there. And then to take it off again, we will just push the button down and get to the point where we can unscrew it and take it off. Look at that. Very cool. So it has a whole bunch of different bits and pieces and parts, so we can be grinding and doing everything here. Here's some instructions for it here. Pretty straightforward. I mean, you saw I did it here. This explains all the pieces I guess it comes with there. And more instructions if you need it. You can probably pause and zoom in. But what a cool little set with the rotary tool. And I like the way it comes in its little box, because then when I go somewhere, I can always have it here. I was grinding some stuff the other day with a different one, and it was just hard to find the little bits and stuff because everything was all in different places. So this is great. Oh, it's cool. Look at this. Stand up as well. It's got the little feet. So you can store it and take it and do whatever. So very cool. I'll just put a little label on it. Probably says rotary tool, so I know what it is when it's put away somewhere. So very cool though. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.